Most people want to start a business, but the real problem is confusion. Too many ideas, no clarity, and no clear explanation of how money is actually made. In this video, we are sharing 7 modern business ideas that are built for today's digital economy. You will clearly understand what each business actually does, why companies are paying for it, who can start it, how much investment it needs, and how profitable it can become. Most of these business ideas are built for long-term demand and high profitability, not short-term hype. Number 1. AI Workflow Automation Agency. An AI workflow automation agency helps businesses automate repetitive tasks using artificial intelligence and smart software tools. This includes automating email responses, lead follow-ups, customer support, invoicing, reporting, and internal operations. The demand exists because businesses want to reduce manual work, save time, and operate with fewer errors. This business can be started by freelancers, consultants, operations managers, or tech-curious beginners who understand how businesses work. The investment required is relatively low, mainly for automation tools and software subscriptions, usually between $1,000 to $3,000 per year. To start, you need basic workflow understanding, automation platforms, client communication skills, and problem-solving ability. Money comes from charging setup fees, monthly retainers, or per-process automation pricing. Many agencies charge recurring monthly fees because automation requires maintenance and optimization. Profit margins are high, often ranging from 60% to 80%, because once systems are built, delivery costs remain low and scalable. Number 2. Niche Micro Software as a Service for Small Businesses. This business focuses on creating very small and focused software tools that solve one specific problem for a specific type of small business. Instead of building large platforms, you create simple tools like pricing calculators, scheduling systems, internal dashboards, or reporting tools for one niche. The demand is strong because small businesses want affordable and easy-to-use tools instead of complex software. This business can be started by developers, no-code builders, or problem solvers who deeply understand a niche. The initial investment includes development tools, hosting, and basic marketing, usually around $2,000 to $5,000. You need a clear problem, user feedback, and a simple software solution. Revenue comes from monthly subscriptions, yearly plans, or usage-based pricing. Even a small number of users can generate stable recurring income. Profit margins are strong, often above 70%, because software can be sold repeatedly without increasing production costs. Number 3. Digital Product Licensing Business. A digital product licensing business involves creating digital assets and licensing them to other businesses for repeated use. These assets can include templates, frameworks, training modules, SOP documents, calculators, or internal tools. The demand exists because companies want ready-made solutions that save time and effort. This business can be started by consultants, educators, designers, industry experts, or professionals with structured knowledge. The initial investment is low and mainly includes content creation tools and legal documentation, usually under $2,000. To start, you need expertise, structured content, and clear licensing terms. Money is earned through licensing fees, renewals, bulk deals, and long-term usage rights. Many businesses prefer licensing because it is cheaper than hiring full-time experts. Profit margins are very high, often exceeding 80%, since the same product can be licensed multiple times without additional cost. Number 4. Remote Team Management Services. Remote team management services help companies manage distributed teams more effectively. This includes setting up communication systems, defining workflows, tracking productivity, improving collaboration, and reducing mismanagement. The demand exists because many companies struggle with accountability and performance in remote setups. This business can be started by managers, HR professionals, operations experts, or experienced team leaders. The investment required is minimal and mostly involves software, tools, and training, usually under $1,000 per year. You need experience in team coordination, communication tools, and process optimization. Revenue comes from consulting fees, onboarding packages, and monthly retainers. Companies are willing to pay because better team management directly improves output. Profit margins typically range from 50% to 70%, depending on service depth and customization. Number 5. AI-powered market research service. An AI-powered market research service helps businesses understand markets, customers, competitors, and trends using artificial intelligence tools. Instead of slow manual research, this service delivers faster insights using data analysis, sentiment tracking, and pattern detection. Demand exists because businesses need quick and accurate decisions in competitive markets. This business can be started by marketers, analysts, consultants, researchers, or data-oriented professionals. The initial investment includes AI tools, data platforms, and reporting software, usually between $2,000 to $4,000. To start, you need research skills, analytical thinking, and the ability to convert data into clear insights. Money comes from project-based research reports, ongoing subscriptions, or monthly advisory retainers. Companies happily pay because better insights reduce risk and improve profitability. Profit margins are strong, often around 65% to 75%, since tools handle most of the heavy work and delivery costs remain controlled. Number 6. No-Code App Development Studio. A no-code app development studio builds apps, dashboards, and internal tools without traditional coding. These solutions are created using visual builders that allow fast development and easy updates. Demand exists because businesses want custom apps without long development timelines or high costs. This business can be started by non-coders, designers, entrepreneurs, or consultants with logical thinking skills. The investment mainly includes no-code platform subscriptions and testing tools, usually around $1,000 to $3,000 per year. To start, you need problem understanding, workflow design skills, and platform knowledge. Money is earned through app development fees, maintenance plans, and monthly support contracts. Many clients prefer no-code solutions because they are flexible and affordable. Profit margins can range from 60% to 80%, especially when working on repeatable app templates. Number 7. B2B Digital Onboarding Solutions. B2B digital onboarding solutions help companies onboard new clients, partners, or employees through structured digital systems. This includes welcome portals, guided tutorials, document flows, and automated training paths. Demand exists because poor onboarding leads to confusion, drop-offs, and lost revenue. This business can be started by consultants, HR professionals, customer success managers, or process designers. The initial investment is moderate and includes software tools, content creation, and system setup, usually under $3,000. To start, you need process design skills, user experience understanding, and communication clarity. Money comes from onboarding setup fees, per-user pricing, and recurring service contracts. Companies pay because smooth onboarding improves retention and satisfaction. Profit margins typically range from 55% to 70%, depending on customization levels. If you found value in these ideas, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who wants to start a business, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos on modern business strategies and practical income ideas.